Allowing pets in your Colorado rental should be documented with a clear pet agreement addendum that protects your property and establishes the rules of the arrangement in writing. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a pet agreement addendum in Colorado. A Colorado pet agreement addendum should specify the approved pet by name, species, breed, and weight, the pet deposit amount, subject to Colorado's deposit limitations, any monthly pet fee, rules for the pet's conduct in common areas, the tenant's obligation to clean up after the pet and repair any damage, and the conditions under which pet approval may be revoked. Colorado limits security deposits, and pet deposits count toward that limit. Verify current deposit caps under CRS, paragraph 38 to 12-102, before setting a pet deposit amount. Always distinguish pets from assistance animals. Emotional support animals and service animals require reasonable accommodation under the Fair Housing Act. They cannot be subject to pet deposits or fees, and your standard pet approval process does not apply. Treating an ESA as a pet is a fair housing violation. Our free Colorado Pet Agreement Addendum covers all standard provisions and is formatted for Colorado's deposit limitations. For the free form and ESA accommodation resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.